Listen to the quietness. Yep, I'm out of Sucker Flats. We're getting our big trailer ready. Most of you have seen that, but I'll show you a complete video on it. I'm getting stuff put into the man cave right there. We got a lot of organizing to do because, you know, we're moving out of the big house and moving into the little trailer here. Haven't hooked up to the electricity or water yet here. We'll do that, but we came out here today to hook onto that trailer right there, because that's the trailer we're going to put all of our furniture in. It's a let's see, I think it's 8 foot wide, 26 foot long, and I think it's 7 foot tall. That'll hold everything. So I'm going to go back up to that, uncover the wheels and stuff, and take it into the city there of Twin Falls. Got to have it inspected because we bought it out of state, and that's just what you got to do. So let's hook onto that. Yeah, it's got a dent in the top, but I got a good deal. This is a view from Sucker Flats. I have told my buddy many times that he should put an RV camp out here, because this is all his land. All that brown there, that's his land. It goes all the way down there to the other brown where it changes color, and it goes all the way back. Be a great place for an RV camp. Let me see if I can not trip and get over here, because when the smoke ain't smoky, you can see those mountains over there, way over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. It's yep, that's zooming in all right. Remember, the mountains way over there, I don't know if you can see them through the smoke, but they're beautiful. They usually have white on top, depending on the time of the year. And you got a great view from right over here. But we're both retired, and he's not here today. He just went on a vacation. He's going to be putting a lot of videos on his YouTube site. He went up to the Washington coast, which I don't know how much he liked it. But that's his property right down there too, and all back behind there up to that bean field. That's what that is. If you don't know what a bean field is, this is after they've thrashed the beans. I don't think that field's his, but you got a heck of a view. He's cleaning up all this scrap iron right here, and this used to be a carrot farm of all things. Anyway, let's hook up to my trailer and head into town and start loading that thing up. over here, dear. Or go over there, whichever way you want to go. What we're going to do is, we got the bent axles that came on this trailer. They're in the back of this trailer. And I'm going to leave them here, and my buddy Terry, he's going to sell them for scrap. Probably get a whole 10 cents out of them, but might as well give it to him. So that's it. We're headed into town and park this, and you'll see where we're going to park it. And onward we go, step by step. Bye.
Hi-ho, hi-ho.
Bye.
It's off to town.
Goodbye.
We go.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you, dear. You did a good job. That's greener than a gourd right there. Okay.
Pick it up.
Thanks.
Pick it up your garbage.
That in my garbage. We're in there. I'm going to drop the landing gear down. We'll drop the gourd door down in the back. Start loading it. That's it for this segment. Bye. One more time. You hear the noise? That's why I'm leaving here.